Hi everyone and welcome back, hopefully just briefly to this final video here to wrap up part 3 of our Target 25 notes. If you just finished up the second video for part 3, you'll notice we literally just ran out of time. We were about to find the diameter here of what our circle base of our cone was. Remember, they want us to find the radius, so once we find the diameter, it's just the radius is going to be half of that. Now, basically, remember what we did? We know the lateral area and we know the slant height. It was told to us up in this information. Lateral area 2,500 pi, slant height 72. Now, 2,500 pi equals 7,853.98, right? And so basically what we started doing, if you follow those blue lines, is we start plugging in those numbers into the formula we know. We know this formula right here will give us lateral area, perimeter times slant height divided by 2. Well, since we know lateral area, which is 7,800 and something, and we also know slant height, which is 72, and obviously we know pi and this divide by 2 because that's part of our formula, what we're left with is just d, right? And we can solve for d. And that's what we are trying to do here. And so in these problems, what we did was we plugged this 7,800, right, which was our lateral area, into LA. We plugged 72, which was our slant height, into the cursive L, right? And then we just had it in the form of this equation. And then we times both sides by 2 to cancel out the fraction. And then we also did 72 times pi to turn that into 226.19. And so as we left you, the last step was to literally divide both sides by 226.19. And so that is currently what we're going to do. So we're going to take that now 15,707. We're going to divide it by 226.19. So if I go back to my calculator and if I hit up twice, there or 3 times, there's my 15,000 number. I'm going to hit enter on that and paste it down, and I need to divide it, so I'll hit divide by that 226 number. That is 1 arrow up. I'm going to hit enter there as well. I'm going to hit enter now, and it'll actually divide those, and what you'll see is we get roughly 69.4 for our diameter. When we divide those two numbers, right, and these cancel out, we get 69.4 for our diameter. Remember, we did not want diameter though. We wanted radius. And so our radius is 69.4 divided by 2, right? It's half of our diameter. And so our radius, when we do 69.4 divided by 2, we will get 34.7, and units are feet. So our radius is 34.7 feet in this problem. All right, and that's that. So we showed you, how to find surface area of pyramids and cones, and we worked forwards with these 3 problems. Remember the slant height deal, very, very important. And then we also worked backwards to find radius or slant height, whatever the missing information would be. If you have questions, as always, please reach out to me through email or through our Google Meet or whatever's most convenient for you. But let's go ahead and start practicing the part 3 worksheet. As always, we'll have a review the next day on that too. That can help you just continue to progress with these skills here. So have a great day. Thank you very much for all your hard work. I'll talk to you soon.